Hello and welcome. Today we are looking at SolidWorks plastics and one of the interesting features in that. Now, one of the interesting facts about any simulation is post-processing, wherein after the simulation is done, one needs to understand the significance of those results, and frankly speaking, it is not an easy task. Now, SolidWorks Plastics is providing an interesting tool which is called as Results Advisor. Now, before I get into it, I would also like to highlight it also has a wizard to start off with this simulation. This kind of wizard is present for flow and flow and simulation as well, wherein you can actually browse through a certain kind of questions which will help you create this setup. So that will help you in creating this setup. If you are a new user, then these wizards either in plastics, or if I show you something in simulation, then it looks something like this. Let it open. So if I go simulation, you'll see there is called as a study advisor. You can trigger it. Again, a toolbar down here comes up. Okay, here it is. So now this is one part of it. But what I want to highlight now is something like this. That is, when I get into a particular result of plastics, um, you'll see when we plot these results at the bottom, you'll see something called as an advisor down here. Okay. Now, if I maximize this screen down here, you will see this advisor comes up with a traffic light kind of signals here, that is red, orange, and green. Typically, green would be all good, orange, you can imagine that, and red, not good. So, first it shows that color, then it gives a text on why it is saying that particular color. So this part can be successfully filled with an injection pressure of 5.41 megapascal. So we have given a pressure which is good enough and it can fill the injection required pressure is. So you can see a good amount of text telling and answering or helping us interpret this particular result. Apart from that, now as you know, at the moment I'm plotting fill time. So as a user, if I'm not comfortable with this terminology, I want to understand what is fill time, then there is a huge amount of text down here which can help you um, understand what is fill time and the details of that. So you can see here, this is how it looks. It has been it gives the idea. Now apart from that, like this was one option, I can get into other results. Pressure at the end of fill, again similar things, volumetric shrinkage. So any of these parameters I plot here, I can get a good understanding of what that particular result means. Okay, so this is what it is, an interesting option. So one, of course, we have developed a lot of tools to help you create the setup and visualize the results, but more important is understanding the results, and plastics has this excellent tool called as results advisor, which can help you interpret the results, understand what they are all about, and use them to the right advantage. That is it for today.